going
to the flowers.
to the flower place sa Northern Blossom. And pwede kami lang dito for baon. Yan, iced coffee kay Nenny and iced float for me. Tapos, egg disal and fries.
Wow, what a view!
May National Tollgate. Uy, it's temporary closed now. Temporary. Tollgate. Kaya wala tayong
1 hour later.
Ito na kami guys. It is 8:49 a.m. Oh, happy Valentine's guys. Kanina pa yung nakapink sila. Tanong na lang sila. Ito, baka dito pwede. Parking po. Environmental fee. So, we paid environmental fee ngayon, entrance fee naman. According to them, ito naman is for the farm. Ito pa environment. Hi, Nanny. Snapdragon. Anti-renew from Greek words anti and renew means like a news.
Wow. Happy Valentine's Day! Naririnig nyo yan guys, ang daming bees. So, ingat-ingat lang din. Although hindi naman sila lumalapit. Pagod na pagod. Ang init guys. Tsaka ang laki-laki ng place. Ayan, pa-exit na kami guys. Nakakapagod siya kasi ang laki ng place. Tada! Ayan, success naman. Nag-rest na kami guys. Pagod na pagod kami. Mainit. Medyo na-dehydrate si Pai. Ayan, may water. Okay. Nag-rest kami saglit. And then, we're on our way up na. Dinaanan natin kanina guys. Windy road. Papunta dito. Meron tayong free coffee. Claim natin. Ay, kasama po ito?
Yes po. Libre po. Kasama sa
Complimentary. Ayan guys, so free din itong snack na. Nanis, dito ka. May kasama ng ganito. Thank you po. So sa taas guys, may balcony din. Pwedeng tumambay doon. More seating area sabi. Mamaya tignan natin yung second coffee area and yung souvenirs place.
Medyo mainit.